Wondering a cheap and easy way, a do-it-yourself project, to make containers to hold your art supplies, pens, pencils, or anything? First thing you're going to need is an oatmeal container, any size, a box cutter, a Sharpie to mark the point for the measurement, and finally, a pair of scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is make the mark for the measurement, made it halfway point, and then just make a small incision, just so you can get the cut started. And now that's done, I use scissors at the end just for safety, so that I can get the final cut done. So what I'm doing at this point is, now that I've made the incision with the box cutter, I'm cutting around the whole container so that I can get the cut nice and even, and I've made a mark on the other side. So that's how you do it with a pair of scissors. And you've got your two parts here. You've got your one side that's got the lid, leave the lid on there. Then you've got the other side, the bottom. Make my mark. Go ahead and start the incision. And then at this point, I'm doing this with the box cutter, and most of the cutting is going to be done with the box cutter, except for the end where I'll use the scissors. So at this point I've finished that, and now I'm done using the box cutter. I'll finish the end of it with a pair of scissors. So that's how you do it. You can put any size of pens in there, Sharpies, markers, pigma microns, paint brushes, or anything. It's up to you. And remember, just be creative, because then the possibilities are limitless.